How to convince interviewers to like you. Hi friends, how are we? I hope fine and in the best of health and wisdom. Let's know for sure that unless the interviewers like us as a person, our selection is doomed. A few days back, we shared a video on how to answer the job interview question, what is your greatest strength? Soon I realized that you will get to talk about what is your greatest strength only if you receive an interview call, right? You know, approximately 50% of college graduates are unemployed or working in a job that doesn't require a college degree. This type of work is called underemployment. It means that job can be done by a less educated person, and still most students believe that college degree is a passport to employment, a regular job. Before final examination, they would burn midnight oil, believing that job offers will flood the moment they pass out. I still remember last few days of my college life. Pre-tests and semester exams, tests and final exams. But in the end, I did it. I got my degree. And with it came hopes and aspirations of getting a high salary job within a few months. I had believed that my degree would be rewarded. After all, college had prepared me for everything I would face in the real world, right? I didn't know it at that point, but as it turned out, getting a job wasn't easy as it seemed. The job market is hard, especially for a new graduate. Every entry-level position I applied already had hundreds of applicants that were better qualified than I was. I spent countless hours applying for jobs and attending job interviews, and I got rejected at most of them. Battered mentally, I found out that much of what I had learned in college wasn't relevant in the real world. My field was software development, and the industry had discarded much of my college learning as outdated. That's when depression started taking over, and every rejection pushed my already lowered self-esteem still further. I just couldn't keep doing like this. I had to do something different. But what? What could I do to stand out from all applicants and get a job? I spent days talking to people and researching online looking for an answer. And that's when I realized what my problem was. My degree wasn't good enough to get a good job. If I wanted to get a job, I had to learn some new skills. See, in the 1970s, about 25% of middle-class workers had high school education. Nowadays, nearly 80% of all jobs require a higher education. It means more people are going to college to get degrees. But what does that mean? It means one word: competition. In other words, most applicants who apply for these entry-level jobs have the same background you have. Now, if you have acquired any special skill, you are not just another candidate. Instead, you get one step ahead of your competition. So, I started learning new skill set that I knew employers were looking for. The skill set explains sophisticated ways to apply for jobs, interview tips, top questions and answers, and after interview tricks. And let me tell you, things completely changed after that. I started getting job offers for most interviews I went to. I started seeing recruiting managers reach out to me over LinkedIn, inviting me to apply for jobs. In the end, I chose to join a very important software development company called XYZ. Great benefits, amazing work environment. I started using the acquired soft skills in this company that allowed me to climb the corporate ladder as a team leader at the company. Learning a special skill did all that, and it will do the same for you. All you have to do is to focus on this, and you will be a new you. Having all important interview tips besides answers to hundreds of toughest interview questions. To jumpstart your career, take action immediately. Click the link given in the description to become a new you. If you want to enjoy life, act fast. Jobs won't wait for you. This video presentation contains some images under the Creative Commons license. Best, Vinay.